Good afternoon, students. In the previous video, you have learnt about a linear equation in one variable and linear equation in two variables. Yes. Now, and even you have learnt the standard form or the general form of a linear equation in two variables. Now we are going to learn about simultaneous equations. Now, two linear equations in two variables taken together is called simultaneous equations. See, two linear equations. You have learnt linear equations. You have learnt in the previous video linear equations in two variables. Now here we are taking two linear equations in two variables. Taken together is called simultaneous equation. For example, 2x plus 5y equal to 7. This is a linear equation in two variables. Another equation taken. This is the second equation, linear equation in two variables taken. So when we take these two equations together, it is called simultaneous equation. Did you understand? For example, another one. Now, 7x plus y is equal to minus 9. Suppose. Another example, x minus y equal to 30, minus 30. So, this is another example of simultaneous equations. Now, we solve the simultaneous equations simultaneously. There are four methods of solving simultaneous equations. That is, one is substitution method, the second is elimination method, the third one is graphical method, and the fourth one is determinant or the Cramer's rule method. 9th standard you have learnt about the first one, that is substitution method and the elimination method also. So see, listen here. Methods of solving simultaneous equation. First, substitution method. Second, third one is graphical method. And fourth one is determinant method. Or it is also called as the Cramer's rules. So, these are the four methods of solving the simultaneous equation. One is substitution method, which you have already learned in 9th standard. So, again we will revise it again. That elimination method also you have learned in 9th standard. Still, again we will revise it. Graphical method which you have not learned. So, and the determination. The last one is determinant method or the Cramer's rule method. Yes. So, we will start now. We will start with the first method, that is the substitution method. Students, now we are going to learn substitution method. This is an example I have taken. 3x plus y equal to 7. Equation 1. Then 2x plus y equal to 5, equation 2. So, we have to name it as, name the equation 3x plus y equal to 7 as equation 1. Then 2x plus y is equal to 5 as equation 2. As you have already learnt in 9th standard that we have to either find out value of x or value of y from any one of the equation. So let us now find out value of y from equation 1. Why I have taken to find out value of y only? Why? Because it's very easy. In this equation, y has coefficient as only 1 and x has the coefficient as 3. So therefore, it is very easy and convenient to find the value of y from equation 1. So how to find out value of y from equation 1? So take equation 1, 3x plus y equal to 7, equation 1. To find out value of y is equal to 7. The only thing you have to do is transfer 3x this side. So it is positive 3x. When it is transferred to the other side, it is minus 3x. So directly we have got the value of y. If y would have any other coefficient, for example 2 or 5 or 6 or 7, anything, any other numerical, then y would be equal to as. Suppose it has got coefficient as 5y, 5. So y will be equal to 7 minus 3x upon 5. So when we solve it, it becomes a little bit inconvenient or a little bit difficult. So we have to always take the equation where the coefficient of either x or y is having coefficient as 1. So that is why equation 1 has got y has got coefficient as 1. Therefore, I have taken equation 1. From equation 1, I got the value of y equal to 7 minus 3x. Now, taking this value of y, we have to substitute it in equation 2 and not in equation 1. In this method, we have to follow this method only. So, now I have got the value of y equal to 7 minus 3x from equation 1. I will take this value of y and substitute in equation 2. So, substituting the value of y equal to 7 minus 3x in equation 2. I got this value of y from equation 1. So I will substitute it in equation 2. So now I have to take equation 2. 2x plus y equal to 5. This is equation 2. So where y is there, you have to substitute 7 minus 3x, the value of y. So 2x plus, put it in the bracket because it has got the value of y is in a 2 terms. So therefore put it in the bracket 7 minus 3x, that is equal to 5. So 2x, now open the bracket by multiplying it by the sign which is outside, either plus or minus, whatever it is. So plus into plus, it is plus 7, plus into minus, it is minus 3x. This is equal to 5. So now you can see in this there are similar terms, 2x and minus 3x. These two terms we can simplify it as what? Minus x. Both the numbers have different sign. Subtract the numbers from each other. Subtract the smaller number from the greater number and put the sign of the greater number. So it is 1x. We don't write the coefficient 1. So therefore it is only minus x. Minus x plus 7 is equal to 5. So now minus x is equal to as 5. 7 I transfer there, it is minus 7. So therefore I get now minus x is equal to as minus 2. Again, both the numbers have different sign. Subtract the smaller number from the greater one and put the sign of the greater number. So both the side we have got minus x is equal to minus 2. Therefore now both the sign is the same. So we can cancel the sign and therefore we got x is equal to 2. So we got directly the value of x is equal to 2. But we have to now find out the value of y. Y is in here the value of y is in terms of x. So taking this, so therefore y is equal to 7 minus 3x. Taking this value of y, we can find out the value of, taking this value of y will find and substituting the value of x will find out the value of y. So substituting the value of x is equal to 2 in value of x equal to 2 in y equal to 7 minus 3x. So, write y equal to 7 minus 3x. So, this is equal to 7 minus 3 into x value 2. So, y is equal to now 7 minus 3 to the 6 here. So, y is equal to as what? 7 minus 6 is 1. Therefore, y value we have got as 1. So, therefore now last, that is solution of the simultaneous equation. Therefore, solution of simultaneous equation is, you have to put it in the bracket in this manner, that is x value will come first and y value will come the second time. So in the bracket, this value of x and y indicates, the first value indicates the value of x and the second number indicates the value of y. This is called as substitution method. So this is the substitution method to solve simultaneous equations. So now I will take another example of substitution method. Now this is the second example. We'll solve this example by simultaneous method again. Now, in this equation 1 and equation 2, you can see that neither x coefficient nor y coefficient is 1. Even in this equation, neither x coefficient or y coefficient is 1. In this case, for such examples, how we can solve by substitution method. See, look here. 7x plus 5y equal to 19. This is equation 1. 4x plus 3y equal to 11. This is equation 2. So, here neither the coefficient of x or y in equation 1 or 2 is having coefficient as 1. Is not having coefficient as 1. Therefore, let us take equation 1. 7x plus 5y equal to 90. Take equation 1. Here we can either find out x value or y value. Let us find out y value. So it is 5y equal to 19. This x, 7x I will transfer there, it is minus 7x. Now, as y has got the coefficient as 5, so y value is equal to as 19 minus 7x by 5. coefficient of y. So we get the value of y in this way. Therefore, y value is equal to 19 minus 7x upon 5. This is value of y. We have got it from equation 1. Now, this value of y will substitute it in equation 2. So, substituting the value of y equal to 19 minus 7x upon 5 in equation 2. So, take equation 2. It is 4x plus 3y equal to 11. This is equation 2. So, we'll substitute in place of y, we'll substitute this value, that is 19 minus 7x upon 5. So, 4x plus 3 into, because here 3 is the coefficient of y. So, this value of y must be multiplied by 3. 3 into 19 minus 7x upon 5 is equal to 11. In place of y, we have to write the value of y. Now here you can see that this 3 and 5, if these numbers are cancelable, we can cancel it. But here it's not cancelable, so directly this bracket I will multiply it by 3. So therefore it is 4x plus 19 into 3. 3 9 are 27. It is 57 minus 3 7 are 21x upon 5 is equal to 11. Now you can see in this equation there are two terms. This 4x, then this whole thing is the second term. So when the denominator here it is 5, so we have to find out the LCM, that is it will be 5 only. Now do cross multiplication of this. So it will be 5 4s are 20x plus. Now we can directly write, or we can put the bracket. If suppose minus sign is there, then if you don't put the bracket, then everything goes wrong. So therefore here put this second term in the bracket always. 57 minus 21x is equal to 11 in this form. Now you will open the bracket. So it is 20x plus 57 plus into minus 21x upon whole thing 5 is equal to 11 here. Now you can see that 20x and minus 21x, these are two similar terms. Now these two similar terms, when we simplify it, it is minus x plus 57 upon 5 is equal to 11. Now I will do cross multiplication of this. So it is minus x plus 57 is equal to 11 into 5, that is 55. Now minus x is equal to, as this 55 as it is you have to write first. Then later on transfer plus 57 becomes minus 57 by transformation. So minus x is equal to, here if we solve this, 55 minus 57 is equal to minus 2. Both the numbers have different sign. Subtract the smaller number from the greater one and put the sign of the greater number. So minus 2x is equal to minus 2. From both the side cancel this minus minus. Therefore now we get x is equal to 2. So therefore we have got the value of x is equal to as 2. Now we can substitute this x value in this value of y equal to 19 minus 7x upon 5 and get the value of y. So substituting the value of x is equal to 2 in, that is y equal to 19 minus 7x upon 5. So y value is equal to as 19 minus 7 into x value is 2 upon 5. So y is equal to as 19 minus 7 to is 14 upon 5. Therefore x value, what do we get? Y is equal to as 19 minus 14 is 5 by 5. 5 cancels. Therefore y is equal to as only 1. Therefore solution of simultaneous equation is, that is x value is 2 and y value is 1.